Namaste. Today I am going to speak basically about the fake yogis in terms of Tamil Nadu who have claimed themselves to be enlightened but who do not know even the advanced yoga of whatever has been taught across. There are 5 people whom I considered the legendary yoga people. The first one was the Krishnamachari Yoga Mandiram. The man was amazing. He lived 100 years. He was the pioneer in finding out the yoga postures. It was earlier there in the scriptures. He codified it. He translated it. He made a photographic of all the yoga postures. He taught it to a lot of people, including the Maharaja of Mysore. He lived in Mysore. Now, he was a well-versed person in the 6 philosophies of India: Nayana, Sankhya, Tantra, Yoga, and in fact, his guru wanted him to become a Jiyar. Unfortunately, he refused to become a Jiyar, though he was a very well-educated man. He could speak Sanskrit so well across. Now, Mr. Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda, if you see, they cannot do any of the advanced postures. For example, I will challenge Jaggi Vasudev to do the Vishwamitra Asana. I challenge Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda, whatever teaching yoga they are doing, I challenge them to do the Purna Dhanurasana. Now, it is not possible for them. They can't even do a Sirasasana. Such is the low quality way of doing things, and these people claim themselves to be enlightened, God, and they promote as if they are promoting yoga. The root of this entire thing started with Krishnamachari Yoga Mandiram. Now, I have nothing against Nityananda or this man talking about Jaggi Vasudev talking about yoga. But don't try to fool people as if you are enlightened. You can't even do basic asanas. I'm talking about the advanced asana. Can you do Mayurasana? I challenge you openly. You cannot. So, stop trying to fib with everybody as if you are knowing and you have all the answers. Stop trying to be Osho number 2. The second man who was pivotal in promoting the yoga, he is also from Mysore. The man is B.K.S. Iyengar. He used a lot of props. He made simplified yoga which was useful to a lot of people. In fact, he became so legendary. All these people lived for more than 90-95 years. Even at their age of 80, 90, they were able to do their yogasana.
Bhuja Pidasana. Bhuja means shoulder, Pida means pressurizing and balancing. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika they say, Kuryat tad asanam sthairyam Arogyam Anga Laghavam. Vishwamitrasana.
Now, Jaggi Vasudev cannot do any asana, so he is promoting Veerabhadrasana. Veerabhadrasana is a very, very simple asana. Any idiot can do. Now, Jaggi, please stop fooling people. It is the same thing what you do with environment, planting trees, making the rivers. You also do not know about yoga. You are half-baked. You have ran away and come from there. That is the main reason. Now you take the video. We are putting the video. You see the video of BKS Iyengar. You see the video of Krishnamacharya Yoga Mandiram. They are amazing, man. Even at the age of 90, they are able to do the yogasana. They never claim to be enlightened. The third man who was very, very pivotal in that thing is doing is Pattabhi Josh. The man talked about Viniyoga. He connected the yoga with the breath. He said, as you do the yoga postures, you would be able to do that.
Utthita hasta padangushtasana. Ekam. Inhale, straight. Straight. Straight knees. Dve. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, hada. Chatvari, exhale. Straight knees. 1, 2, 3. Pancha, inhale. Inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, head up, inhale. Ashto, take it to your hands. Tight, tight. Take both hands here. Tight it. No. Here. Tight it. Don't leave it. Exhale, inhale. Yes? Slowly. 3 times. Deep breathing. After slowly come. Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Ekam. Inhale. Take back your hands. Right. Dve. Exhale. Clear the feet. Head up. Head up. Head up. Again inhale. Trini. Exhale now. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. 3. Chatvari. Inhale. Exhale. Pancha. Inhale. Come up. Slowly. Shut. Leave it.
Are you teaching that? Are you telling people you have taken, you have stolen from all these people? Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda, they are talking about rope yoga. Please don't believe that. They simply wear a garva or maybe have a long beard. They start having a different kind of hair duos and they cannot do. Can you do Sirasasana, Nityananda? I am challenging you openly. Can you do that? Can you do this Vishwamitra Asana? No, you cannot. All these so-called yoga teachers who promote make money cannot do advanced asana. But if you cannot do that, why do you claim to be a yogis? It is all bloody lies. They all take the camera from the long angle because if they show in the close angle, they know their students cannot do. The students will be struggling with the postures. Simply keep a big statue, use the video setting to promote it. That is what Jaggi Vasudev is doing. The fourth most important man who contributed in this is Collins. What is his name? Bob Collins, the genius of stretching. He said, if you do the stretching with the resistance, you would be able to open up the organs. He has trained Olympic athletes. People have won the medals. He has come in the Winfrey Oprah show.
Hi everybody, welcome to a resistance flexibility class. We're going to do 16 kinds of stretches today, 8 for your lower body, 8 for your upper body. We're going to work on muscle groups on the outside of your legs. Let's try this, everybody. So these muscle groups on the outside of the legs, you're now in a position that elongates them, so we need to stretch them. We need to contract them to get a stretch. So if you keep pushing down with both of your legs into the ground, you'll contract those muscles that have been stretched in this pose. These muscles are for the gallbladder in Chinese medicine, and in Genetic personality type theory is associated with making better decisions and being more devotional. That's great. Let's try it on the other side. Hard into the ground with your hands. Push the ground away from you. As you step up the wall, and as you go up onto the wall, kick against the wall to contract the muscles on the front of your body that you're stretching. Leave your head up and arched. And as you do that, your arms will externally rotate. They'll rotate this way. Your elbows will come towards each other and come on back down. Your front leg. Right. So you'll be lunged into your front leg. And while you're lunged here, I need you to kick your back knee up towards your chest, kick your leg against the wall, and as you do that, push your body back with your front leg. That will stretch out the muscle on the front side of your thigh. Let's try that again. Slow up, Bonnie. Push against the wall. Keep pushing. Keep kicking your knee up towards your chest, and you'll get a stretch right here, and it will start to come right up the front of your body. Let's try one more on that side. These are associated with the stomach meridian in Chinese medicine and in genetic personality type theories associated with sobriety and self-expression. Let's try the other side.
Sure. Such is the level of man. Some of the world's biggest athletes got trained with that guy. He is able to connect the postures with the meridians because he has worked hard. He has worked hard in that field for 20, 25 years. He doesn't claim to be enlightened to promote yoga. You are just promoting yoga. You are a yoga teacher, Jaggi Vasudev, Nityananda. You have forgotten that. And you can't do yoga postures possibly. That's why you get bored and you try to drive the bike and you try to play all your dream fantasy in younger days. What you have not been able to do because you do not have money, you are fantasizing by coming in the bike and all that. That is your personal issue. It's okay. There is nothing wrong. So I request people to go through this and I will show you the last clipping of Yogaraj. Amazing backbending stretches. I have never seen that thing in my life of a man able to do such amazing stretches. Backbending stretches. Genius. No wonder his name is Yogaraj. I can openly say I am a fan of his for his ability to do such complex yoga postures. Nothing uncalibered, unnecessary way of projecting itself for just doing yoga and making money and looting people of 6 lakhs. I have no problem in these guys charging. It's okay, you charge accordingly. Your customers you are able to charge. There is Bihar School of Yoga. Satyananda Saraswati, towards his last period of life, for 4 years he did Panchagni Vidya. He never had any controversies in his life. He was a man who put the textbook on yoga. And in Alier Dam they teach you. Yoga classes they teach you. So therefore all these claim that you are enlightened, you are this and that, is all fake. You see the Yogaraj video, you will know what that guy caliber is all about. You see the Ben Collins, Genius of Stretching. They had record. They are very successful. These people teach simple yoga and claim that they are enlightened. They are like yogi. Nonsense. You cannot talk about any scriptures, Jaggi Vasudev. Can you talk about Ashtavakra Gita? Can you talk about Vasishta Samhita where he talks about the Advaita principle to the Lord Ram? No, you are not studied, you are not educated. The problem is spiritually uneducated people in India can claim to be enlightened, put pyramids, build some statue and claim that they are already enlightened. Just because you talk in a low voice, in a soft voice, it does not mean that all these claims of a Mahayogi and all that thing is all absolute rubbish. There are people, you have come from Mysore, so you have no idea about Krishnamacharya Yoga Mandiram, B.K.S. Iyengar, Pattabhi Josh, nothing you know about it. So I request the people not to get carried over by all these fake claims. Just because they relax a muscle, it doesn't mean they are enlightened beings. All these people do not have the original thing in the tradition. Because they cannot talk about the original text of Advaita. Because they have never read. Can you read Sanskrit very well? No, you cannot. The problem with these people is they tend to imitate corporate people and they believe these corporate people are everything. Jaggi Vasudev, just like that you do not know about yoga, you also do not know about Indian spirituality. Can you name 10 tantric books which was written by the Shaivite principle? Can you tell me where the Rudram has come from? There is no idea. The point is, it was all a claim that you are enlightened, you are there, you are this, and all that particular thing. So stop fooling people. People also should not get fooled. All these people are legendary. They have contributed to the science of yoga. And they have really worked, including Baba Ramdev. Ramdev, I will not oppose him because he is able to do the asana. He shows the asana to people. He sleeps in the floor. He is not very money-minded. He is not thinking how to make more money, how to buy an helicopter. The Patanjali Yoga Sutra talks about simplicity, aparigraha. It says, please do not take the wealth of the others. It is just sheer exploitation of the innocence of the people. Nothing else. Just like you have no idea, Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda, about the environmental issue or about the great tradition of India, it is just all these gas is being left over. Do you teach from Garuda Samhita? Do you teach from Siva Samhita? No, you have no idea that yoga is being talked about in all these books. So please, people don't believe that. We are putting a clipping just to make you understand about these great people. Not these liars and cheats and fools who try to make a lot of money using the innocence of people. Thank you.